guys, guess what I'm doing? Fortnite, and and if you love Fortnite, like and subscribe, and hit that bell, and see if you can see my notifications. You can't really see it well, I'm sorry, but you can hear the bunny music. So let's. Go. We're doing Battle Royale. If y'all never played Fortnite, get an Xbox and download it. It's $60. You have to get a gold pass or something. So I hope y'all enjoy. B. So we are gonna be doing playground, guys. So we're doing playground. Y'all ready for some Fortnite, guys? I bet you're ready for Fortnite. And yes, I am a level 4. I'm a beginner and I am a noob. I'm a noob. So I hope y'all are going to enjoy this video. I'm probably like, Elizabeth, you finally are playing Fortnite. Guys, so look at this. It's Fortnite. So I'm trying to give y'all a better view. Hang on a sec, guys. I'll be right. Guys, I give you a better view. Well, I hope I did. Well, I think y'all can see the whole thing. Yep, y'all can see the whole thing. So, I know we started off bad, but now y'all can see the whole thing, man. Here we go. Remember, guys, I said we're going to get a bonus. So remember, we're heading for 1,000 likes, guys. 1,000. Oh, guys, so remember, we are playing playground, so if I die, I can die from full damage. Was that a storm? Or what? Oh, jeez. Hey, guys. So, I'm playing in my parents' bedroom. If you didn't know I have Fortnite, I do. So, guys, I bet you if you're with guys, what the heck is this? Wow. I think I'm doing some damage or something. Dude, I don't even have a weapon yet. That's bad, guys. Like, I'm not this crappy, but I'm sorry. But like, why don't I have a gun? Finally, guys, I have a gun. It's like the worst gun in the game. We got fact of the day. This is the worst gun in the game. Yes, it is the worst gun in the game. Oh, okay. Guys, you see what I have? I have a flippin' scar. Yes, I have a flippin' scar, guys. A flippin' scar. I know it'll be like a legendary thing. It'll be purple. But guys, this is a legendary thing. So, with that being said, we're going to do some more Fortnite. And yes, in Season 5, they did move around. They did customize the things a little bit. They're probably like, Elizabeth, why aren't you in the camera much? Because, guys, I'm standing back here so I can see the full footage of me playing some Fortnite. See, guys, the llamas, they're the great. They're the true key. So always look for llamas, guys. Bruh. Get some ammo. So guys, there should be llamas around here somewhere. Okay, yes, sir. I played Fortnite like a few days ago. And, like this noob, he was on my team. So I'm just gonna try to kill this girl with a rocket launcher, which is a great idea. And it turns out he was still his ammo. And guys, I had a scar. Bruh, it's a llama. Bruh. Oh. Well, that was unfortunate. So guys, I am going to do like 11 minutes, guys. As y'all know, like my thing can't record for that long. But remember guys, I am going to do some more vlogs, which will be doing me some faster. So my videos will be getting longer, guys. Get some bombs. I need it. My stuff! Dude, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff, guys? Where's my stuff? Dude, why did you take it? Bro, why didn't you take it, guys? Like, why do you think she didn't take it? Bruh! So grab her. Dude! Gotta grab her. I can grab this apple. Starvation. Dude, do y'all hear that? Some victory. The duck hiss. The important shield nerf. So guys, I'll give you a couple more minutes so y'all can see the full thing of the building. What is this? Is that the bush? Dude, it's the bush. The bush. Guys, this is a protective. Get some of this ammo. Okay, guys, so I'm going over here because I did see a chest in the window. Look. I see. Like Elizabeth, take the gun now. That is a bad gun, guys. A bad gun. That is literally a bad gun. Oh, guys, I'm getting so many bonus chests. I don't want to take it out. So, guys, I'm gonna be friendly and just pick her up. Skirt. Woo! This is awesome driving, guys. I have technique. Guys, I'm not sure I have a bad technique skills, but I do. What is she doing? Passenger, hello. I'm driving this, guys. Let's go to victory. She doesn't need us, we don't need her. Victory for me. Victory for me. Victory for me, guys. She doesn't have a victory. This big boy. Ew. Guys, this is one of the best guns in the game. And guys, I'm just gonna bruh. Like seriously, dudes. How come you don't want this thing? This is like so insane. What would this be here? So easy to break, guys. Trash cans. Woo! Set on fire! So guys, that will be the end. No, guys, we're just gonna do it for one more minute. Then I'm gonna end the episode, guys. So I'm giving y'all a bonus. This is kind of like a bonus, guys. That is which I'm giving you. Oh yeah. So guys, in some way dimension. Okay, so that is it, guys. That is the end of this episode. And I hope you, that episode video. And I hope you'll like it. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. And remember the bonus, guys. So hit that bell and tap the box so you can get all my notifications. Goodbye.